Hi everyone, welcome back to Fabric Feature Friday. Here we are, back in Fabric's Copilot, our command center for managing the commerce experience. One thing that we constantly hear from our customers is that creating and publishing custom collections of products is cumbersome and extremely time-consuming. This need is what drove us to design a really great feature in our product catalog called Collections. Fabric Collections is an easy way for retailers to merchandise any group of products based on specific business rules. And for consumers today, eco-friendly products are becoming an extremely important factor in their buying decisions. So this retailer wanted an easy way to merchandise all products that meet that eco-friendly requirement into a shoppable collection. As of today, the eco-friendly collection doesn't exist on the site, as you can see here. So let's go ahead and quickly get this set up in Fabric's Copilot. So we're going to create this new collection to show you just how easy it is by first naming the collection eco-friendly and then choosing the categories. In this case, we want to include furniture and rugs. Now we're going to determine how we want to merchandise the collection. And so in this case, we're going to be looking for that eco-friendly attribute. It will now filter all products that meet that eco-friendly criteria. We can now review that there are 8 products automatically merchandised into the collection because they have that eco-friendly attribute. Now that we will save and enable this collection, let's see what this looks like on the demo retailer site. With a quick refresh, you can now see that eco-friendly collection has been added to the site. And if we click in, you will only be seeing the products that fit that eco-friendly criteria, as we showed you earlier. This will also continually update as new products are added to the assortment that fit that eco-friendly criteria. This will ensure that customers will have an easy way to shop for products that fall into eco-friendly while removing the manual processes for retailers, saving time and money. This was only one example of how to use Fabric Collections to streamline the operational process for retailers. Thank you for joining Fabric Feature Friday with Lori Howitt. Meet me here every Friday to see how to connect the consumer journey from merchandising to post-checkout with Fabric.